guys, welcome back yet to another upcycling video whereby I'll be upcycling this plastic bucket into something beautiful. So first of all, I started by taking the height of the bucket on the lower side. After taking the measurements of the bucket, it guided me on moving to the next step. So sorry guys, I have a really bad cold, kindly forgive my voice. So today I won't be doing much of talking, so kindly follow the tutorial. For this project, I'll be using a corrugated cardboard that I got from local markets. They're normally sold for packaging items, so I was so lucky to get a corrugated one. So it made my work easier, unlike peeling off a cardboard. But if you don't have this, you can just peel off the cardboard on the corrugated part. After making the markings on the cardboard, I drew the line, and by the help of my pair of scissors, I had to cut off the part that I needed for the project. After that, I went ahead to fit the cardboard on the side of the bucket to see it fits in perfectly. I then used hot glue to stick the cardboard onto the side of the plastic bucket all round. You can also use contact glue for this part, but to get a quicker result you can use hot glue since it dries very fast compared to any other glue. Once I was done, I took my bucket outside and gave it 2 coats of black matte paint all around. I also had to spray the bucket on the inner part. Onto the upper part of the bucket, I had to decorate it using a gold trim. It's a 2-inch gold trim. I'd already removed the adhesive part or the protective part which protects the adhesive glue, so that's why you could see I just went ahead and glued it all around onto the buckets. Once I was done, I went ahead to cut off the excessive part, and after adding the plant in my planter, since I not told you guys what I was making, this is how my planter turned out. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple tutorial of a simple and elegant planter. I just love how it turned out. It's easy and very affordable to make. If you have an old bucket at home, you can just recycle it into this beautiful planter. On to the next part, I upcycled another plastic bucket into a beautiful coffee table. So kindly check out the steps that I made for this video. They are simple and easy to follow. So first of all, I had to remove the protruding part onto the bucket so as to make it easier to do the rest of the project. For those who are joining this YouTube channel for the first time, my name is Roxy Nimmiz. I normally do simple home decor DIYs. If you're interested in seeing more recycling and upcycling videos, this is the place to be. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell so as to get notified whenever I post a new video. To decorate the bucket, I had to use some pieces of MDF boards that I had at home. They were leftovers from another project. To prepare the MDF boards, I had to spray paint them all round. So this was just a simple preparation of how I prepared them. And after spraying them, they ended up with the white color. I had to use a white color for this project. So this is how I placed the wood onto the side of the bucket. To glue down the MDF boards onto the side of the bucket, I had to use a liquid nail, which I normally use in most of my projects. And since liquid nail takes time to dry, I had to enhance it on the upper side using hot glue so that it can stick immediately as the nail glue cures with time. For this design, I had to use the thickness of the MDF board to create the gappings between the MDF boards. So this is how I decorated my coffee table onto the sides. On to my returning subscribers, I'd love to say thank you so much guys for the love and support. Continue supporting Roxy Nimmiz via watching my videos and also subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much guys for your support. May God bless you. Hey guys, I'm happy to announce that soon we're starting online classes. For those who have been asking for online classes, I'll put the link in the description box. You can go check the link out so that you can know how you can join the classes. After gluing down all the boards, this is how it turned out, and they're properly aligned. Actually, by taking off the protruding part makes it easier for the boards to lie on the bucket smoothly. On to the next part was preparing the top part of the coffee table. So I had to prepare the round parts, and if you're interested with such round boards, I'll put the contact of where you can get them. And after spraying the undercoat, I went ahead and gave the top part of the coffee table 2 coats of white paint and left it to dry. As you can see, I also added some paint onto the bucket to cover it all round. So to decorate the spacing left between the boards, I had to use a gold trim. If you're interested in such gold trim, I'll put the contact of where you can get it. So I had to cut the sizes that I needed to cover all the openings of the buckets. Concerning the classes, I'll be providing beginner classes and also advanced classes. So once you go to the link, you'll see the type of class that suits you, and from there you can go on to register the class that you need to start with. The gold trim, they are self-adhesive, but to make sure it holds well onto the surface, kindly I will advise you enhance it with some other type of glue, either adhesive glue or maybe hot glue. So I had to glue down the trims all round one at a time onto the gaps. Onto the top part of the coffee table, I placed a round MDF board that I had sprayed earlier, and this is how it turned out. So to hold the round part onto the coffee table, I used the same glue that I used on the side, a liquid nail adhesive. If you're interested in such liquid nail, I'll put the contact in the description board. It has a strong bond and it's very strong compared to hot glue. Once the glue had cured, I went ahead to remove the protective film all around. And this how this simple coffee table turned out. And finally guys, look at this amazing white coffee table that I've just made using a bucket. If you're interested in making such, I'll put the measurements in the description box. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple tutorial of a beautiful coffee table that I've just made using a plastic bucket. If you really love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Let me know in the comment section what you think about between the two, which is your favorite. Is it the coffee table or the planter? Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye, see you next time for a new DIY. And don't forget to watch more of my videos at the end screen. Thank you.